We're going to start with the fermented fruit juice today. This is going to be 7 days. So we got finely chopped 1 kilo of the papaya, banana fruit chopped up real good, and then 1 kilo of watermelon chopped up real nice. That's 1 kilo of each. So this is going to be 7 days. Now, what we're going to use this for, it's going to be a taste enhancer for your feeds. So if you're having difficulty switching your animals from conventional feeds to organic feeds, this helps also. I'm theorizing strongly, and I do believe that this is going to be a really good phosphorus supplement for your plants as well. So to complement the nitrogen and other crucial components that the other concoctions add, this should be adding something along that along those lines. So this is fermented fruit juice, and we will go from there. So we're back with the fermented fruit juice. Now, this will be 7 days, and what we're going to do is we're going to add 3 kilos of molasses, as you see right here, and then we'll just add this to the mix here to get to help boost the power through fermentation of the bacteria that are going to grow here in the next 7 to 10 days. So there's that, and then I'm going to mix this in here real good, and basically you're going to have your fermented fruit juice. I don't see this being like the fermented plant juice where you're going to have the problem of too much to strain. I think everything's going to disintegrate pretty easily with this. So stage 1 fermented fruit juice, we'll check back in a week and see how it looks. Alright, we're back with the 7th day of the fermented fruit juice, and I'm going to leave this for 10 days. Even though it's done now, I just want to make sure that the fermentation's final, that I'm going to get the most I can out of this. Again, it was 1 kilo of the watermelon, 1 kilo banana fruit, 1 kilo papaya fruit, and 3 kilos of the molasses. Now, I'm theorizing this is a strong phosphorus supplementation, so I'm going to experiment with it to complement the potassium and breakdown capabilities of the fermented plant juice in my compost, as well as the nitrogen and the chicken waste and the various other nutritional supplements from the ashes and the grasses and everything else I decide to put in there. So this is also a taste enhancer for your animals if you want to switch them to organic feeds, so it's good for that as well. This is fermented fruit juice, and thanks for watching, guys.